Hey sewing friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I made this one-of-a-kind hoodie using a quilting technique known as reverse applique. So I'm starting off with the fabric that I'm going to be creating the patch with, and I'm cutting around the piece, leaving about a 3/4 inch around the actual design. This is to allow for our seam allowances. This does not have to be very precise at all. Next, you're going to want to choose something that you're going to use for the backing of your patch. Some people like to use old pieces of sweatshirts or even some cotton. I have chosen to use a product called Woven Fusible so that once I have stitched everything in place, I am going to turn the piece inside out and literally fuse the two layers together. So after stitching around the outside of the piece, leaving an opening to turn it right sides out, I'm just trimming off the excess backing and being sure to clip corners and curves. Go ahead and turn the patch right sides out, ensuring that all of your edges are neat and straight. And then because of the product I used, I'm going to go ahead and hit it with an iron, which is going to fuse these layers together. Next, you're going to decide where it is you want to place the patch on your actual piece. And once you have it somewhat in the area that you want it to go, then just put a couple pins in it to just briefly hold it in place. And then we're going to turn the whole thing inside out and actually put a good amount of pins going around it, especially since we're dealing with a lot of stretch in the hoodie. Make sure to give yourself ample pins to tack everything down. Now, to tack our piece down, you have several options here. You could do a zigzag stitch. You could even do a straight stitch. Any of the above would work. I'm just making sure that everything is well tacked down, and then I'm going to take this to my machine and just give it a good stitch all the way around. Once you have it thoroughly tacked into place, this is where we're going to come in and just cut all of the excess hoodie material on the front, being careful, very careful to not trim our patch below, and I'm leaving about a 1/4 inch of an edge between where I'm cutting and my actual stitch line, revealing the super cool patch underneath. This is a quilting technique known as reverse applique, but it's super fun to use to upcycle any garment. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial.